Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss if you are new, and if you are a returning stitchy, welcome back. Happy July 1st. It is the official release of the Full Spectrum and the Birthstone collection. Release for July. I don't know. I'm tired. I am fully aware of how much of a mess I look. Your girl's been going through it, and it's showing. So, okay, I'm going to try not to rush through this. I am super pressed for time. If I'm going to get this out today, Crystal Rabago Day is having her animal auction in just a little bit. I was trying to get this out before then. I don't think I'm going to. That's okay. Okay. Ordering window. This is important. Please listen. Please do not fast forward. It is so important because this will make this quick and painless for both of us. Okay. Ordering window is the 1st through the 8th. It ends at midnight on the 8th. You can order July's regular subscription, and you can order any month of the Birthstone collection. You can order January through July. Anyway, any combination, whatever you want. If you're just brand new getting to it, you can start fresh from the very beginning if you'd like to. Yes, you can pay for the entire year of the Birthstone collection. I have a few who have done that. There are 3 ways to pay: PayPal, Cashapp, Zelle. If you do PayPal, PayPal's being a little snickerdoodle right now, and they have capped my earnings, and I've hit that cap. Everything beyond that cap is being held for 21 days, which is not great. Friends and family bypasses that. That is for goods and services. If you don't mind doing friends and family, I would be eternally grateful. I understand if you are not comfortable with it, but if you wouldn't mind, that would help your girl out a ton. Ordering window 1st to the 8th, ends at midnight on the 8th. I think I already said that. I did this video once before, and I accidentally hit delete. Okay. It is $25 for the first hank, and $20 for every hank after that. The regular subscription box has handmade stitch markers from D at D's Creative Hands. The Birthstone collection does not. I ship between the 15th and the 20th of the month. There are delays. I don't have any control over it. I'm very sorry that it is happening. It's really bad. 2 main hubs before it splits and goes east and west. Both of them are the worst culprits. So it is starting to get better, supposedly. I've heard this before. So there is that. Okay. Shipping is included in the price. If you want to toss shipping extra on top of it, it helps me out. It's what's keeping the prices low. People have been very kind about doing that. You do not have to. It's included in it. It doesn't cover it, but it, it throws a little towards it. You can order any month of the Birthstone. You cannot order any month of the regular. You can order, fingering weight, 437 yards. DK weight, 219 yards. Worsted weight, 187 yards. This is a 19.5 micron, 100% superwash merino base. I do have a new shipping system. I finally have one, which is amazing. This will be my first month doing it. I cannot promise tracking numbers. I'm trying to work towards that point. I don't know how the system works. I've never used it before. So I'm not sure if that is something that will automatically shoot those out or not. I will be trying several different systems most likely until I find the one that fits, because this company, you're coming with me on the journey as we grow. So as of right now, I still do not do tracking numbers. but you are free to email me if you feel like it is taking too long. when you order, this is so important. When you order, in every single avenue that you order, there is an area to write stuff in. I need your name, I need your shipping address, and then I also need to know the weight of the yarn that you're ordering. If you don't give me the weight, I can't dye it. So your order just sits here in limbo, and I try to reach out by community tab if I don't have an email for you. I try to message you. PayPal's the only one I can message you through. So it will just sit here. If I don't have an address or I don't have a weight, I can't do anything until I'm able to get a hold of you. And that will cause major delays. So there's that. So like usually if people want the regular full spectrum, just the regular sub box, they'll put SB for sub box or FS for full spectrum and Birthstone BS. And then DK fingering worsted, and how many of each. If you're doing a combo order, how many of each and everything like that. If you just can't figure it out, you're totally fine to just email me. It's in the description box below. No sweat, my pet. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I am about to show you the hanks, and I'm going to let you go because I gotta scoot and skedaddle. Now, I'm going to show you Birthstone first. Birthstone was really hard because it's ruby. Well, I've already done garnet. I have to do it in a way that sets it apart. But I also have to do it in a way that fits within the scheme of the entire year of the Birthstones. So one of you, Megan, sent me a really cool picture and I worked it up. I dyed it up and it looks amazing, but it doesn't go with the entire year. And sadly, so sadly, I'm not able to do it. So I had to go back to the drawing table and figure it out. That will be a future colorway for the regular full spectrum box though. I already know what it's going to be called. It's very, very pretty. But this has to go with all the rest of them. Okay, I know. Shut up and show me the yarn. If you remember Garnet was dark. Garnet was really dark. Garnet was like a really dark red and it had like burgundy. It was very dark. So though this might look similar, I promise you when you see it in real life, it's not. I think you'll be able to see it on camera. I always forget you guys aren't as blind as I am, so I over-explain things assuming you can't see it. Okay, I am showing you now. Look away if you do not want to see. I will tell you when it is safe to look. It is very different from Garnet. They only share one similarity, and that is that they're in the same color family. That's it. I will describe this one only because if you know what a ruby looks like, you know what color this is. This is more of a candy apple red, kind of has a, there's a pinkness to it, and, you know, which a ruby has. And, then it has, like, for the depth, it's, actually like a, I have a color called amethyst, and when you hear amethyst, you think purple, but this is not purple. This is like a reddy pink mixed with a slight bit of a different color. Anyway, it's a color combination to get the depth. I hope you can see it okay. I have weird lighting right now. It's beautiful. It is so pretty. Like, I actually think I would wear this color of red, and you know your girl doesn't wear red. It's really, really pretty. I really like it. Okay? And then, if you can see the mess behind me, please forgive me. Guys, I'm a complete and utter mess today. I brought a bunch of stuff over here to sort through. Where? Oh, it's in my lap. Okay, the next one is the full spectrum, the regular full spectrum sub box. And I think this is really pretty. This is called Lake Days. So this is it. I really, really like the way it turned out. I think it's very pretty. There's actually a lot of different colors packed into here. It might not look like it, but there are. This is what it looks like opened up. Oops, I accidentally pulled some of that up. Anyway, so you scared me, silly goose. Hi. Patrick's outside helping Daddy with yard work. So, Lake Days is what this one is called. I do believe I've covered everything. I forget something every single month. You can look now. Every single month I forget some sort of information. So to just reiterate, you can order until midnight on the 8th. I ship between the 15th and the 20th. $25 for the first hank, $20 for every hank after that. Fingering, worsted, and DK. 437 yards for fingering, 219 yards for DK, 187 yards for worsted, 19.5 micron superwash merino. PayPal, Zelle, Cashapp. Ideally, if you use PayPal friends and family. If you want to throw some extra shipping my way, I would super appreciate it, but no pressure. Make sure you do your address, name, which collection you're getting, and which weight of the collection that you're getting. And I believe that is it. Please excuse my nails, by the way. I let my intrusive thoughts win. There's a hole. These are fake nails, by the way. There's a hole in my centrifugal dryer that I put the yarn in, and I stare at that hole every time I put yarn in there to like fling the water out. And I always want to stick my hand in it. I don't know why. It's dumb. And today I did it, and thank goodness I have fake nails on because it took a chip out of that and not me. So don't let your intrusive thoughts win. Okay? That's the lesson for today, children. Andrew just shakes his head in judgment at me because duh. Like there needs to be a PSA warning for that. Anyway, alright, I love you guys. I got to go. Head over to Crystal's for the animal auction. I hope to see you guys there. I love you so much, you know that I do. I've got some cool videos coming up. I'm sorry I've been so MIA. I've been super busy and kind of dealing with a real life situation. So, I love you guys. I will talk to you guys later. Please excuse me being a hot mess. But would you expect anything less? Probably not. Alright. Bye, guys. Editing Thryss here. I also wanted to tell you guys, don't forget to check out the video previous to this. It has my business logo as the thumbnail. I release color packs and I'm super proud of them. I'm very excited and nervous. So if you wouldn't mind going and checking those out, I would really, really love that. Okay, bye guys. Oops. Sorry.